What is up, guys? Today we're making buffalo chicken stuffed bell peppers, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cooking your chicken however you want. You can boil it. I do it in an Instant Pot and shredding it all up. And then we're going to cut up our green onions, and then we're going to mash up our avocado with a little bit of salt and pepper. While you're doing all of this, just put your bell peppers in the oven with a little water covered with foil at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and that'll get them all cooked down. So after we mash our avocado, we're going to take our chicken and we're going to season it. So we're going to put all of our dry seasonings in there. And then after we get all of our dry seasonings in there, we're going to add our buffalo sauce. And if you're making this if you're meal prepping this, put the buffalo sauce in later because it will dry up. But if you're eating it instantly, then I would put the buffalo sauce in now. Otherwise, just do the dry seasonings with a little bit of buffalo sauce. So after it's all mixed together, we're just going to take our bell peppers and we're just going to put our chicken mixture in there. Make sure you're weighing it out if you're following the macros. If not, just shove as much as your little heart desires. And then we're going to throw our avocado on there. And then we're going to throw our green onions on there. And that is it. Quick and easy, super tasty. Yeah, the bell peppers, I will say that they do get super soggy the next day, so I ended up just cutting them up and then making it kind of into a bowl. So I would suggest cooking the bell peppers the day of, but if you want to meal prep it, just know that they'll be soggy. Anyways, if you guys like this video, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit.